You're making a mess with that thing, Missy. Where is it? Where's the strawberry frozen thingy? That's the wrong side, silly. Here, this side. This side. Let go. Ugh. Here. There's the strawberries in there. You're making a mess. I don't think you care. Hey. Ah. Look at your sleeve and everything. Oh. Look what you can do with 2 strawberries. You're a messy girl. No. You hit the camera 3 times already with that nasty thing. Yes, you did. Yummy! Hey! 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 Look up here! Look up here! Look up here! Yeah! Hey! Yummy! Ew! Pegged me again. That is nasty. Hey. Yeah! Yeah! Ew! No! Ugh, gross. We gotta get you cleaned up. Say bye to Oma and Grandma and Papa. Say bye!